what's up? I'm gonna show you how to play Dreamer on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So for this song, you'll be in standard tuning and you will not need a capo. The one chord you'll need to know is D. So D is open, 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 2, 3, 2. You mute the top string though. So X, open, open, 2, 3, 2. So that's D. And the song hangs out on this chord pretty much the whole time. Just you're gonna need to move your fingers around a little bit. So what I'm doing there is playing D, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then putting my middle finger on the B string 2nd fret and lifting up my ring finger. 1, 2, 3 hits, and then hammering down my ring finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So slower and closer, that's. That last chord is just from high to low, open, 3, 2. That's it. Thanks for watching. Hey, let me know some other songs you want to learn down in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.